Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler. This one's going to be a little bit different. Today, we have a shipment from Dropped Knives. It's a little early in the morning, and I'm doing this obviously in my car. Why? Because, you know what? I can. And rather than cheat and try to open this before you guys see me open it and then try to open it on video, I decided to just do it. Alright, so those of us that can't see, here we go. This is the QSP. This is my first QSP knife. It comes with a card. It's like, thank you for choosing QSP knife. We hope that you enjoy it. Here are some of the specifications about your knife. Oh, that's fucking cool. It's like a little card with specs on it. D2 blade. You're doing my review, you piece of shit. Get out of here. We all like to spit off that shit, motherfuckers. Alright, so here's the box that it comes in. Sorry, this is kind of a janky fucking video. Here it is. This, ladies and gentlemen, probably just gentlemen, is the QSP Penguin. Oh, no, look at all my shit. The action's pretty damn good. The lock bar is super light. That's a super light lock bar. I don't think it's gonna come undone. But switching it side to side feels light as shit. So yeah, that action's gonna break in real nice. There is the centering. It's pretty damn center. Here's your blade shape. It's got a nice satin finish, D2 steel. It's got a blue micarta handle. Pretty decent looking pocket clip. Doesn't look to be any milling on the inside. This is on copper washers, I think. And let's see, one more thing, the fucking lanyard tube. It is ambidextrous. Oh shit. It is ambidextrous. Alright, I'm gonna check one more thing. Let's see if I can set up the camera in my fucking cup holder real quick. Sticker on the other side. Alright. First impressions of this QSP Penguin. Guys. Pretty awesome. I'm not going to say what I think I'm going to say. I'm going to reserve that for a little bit, but this is pretty awesome. That's all I got this morning, guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching.